Turmeric is a staple of Indian cuisine and medicine. It should also be a staple in your herbal closet as overall health tonic for supporting improved liver, gallbladder, and digestive functions. Women in India are often praised for their beautiful skin, and they in turn praise turmeric as the reason for it. Turmeric is a warming herb that helps to stimulate circulation and support cardiac health. Try it for the relief of aches and pains of sore joints, arthritis, and rheumatism. More importantly, turmeric is now the subject of many universities, hospitals, and research studies that show great promise in the treatment of malignant diseases, including prostate, colon, esophagus, pancreas, and breast. The history of turmeric, how it all began. Turmeric is an herb that is a native of India and southern and eastern Asia. It thrives in loose, well-drained soil in full sun, growing to a height about 3 feet. The plant has a slightly arid taste, somewhat like ginger, and it is a warming herb that has been used as a spice by Indian cooks to flavor foods for thousands of years. It is the main ingredient in curry. Turmeric has been cultivated in China and Malaysia, and it also has spread to Australia, Central and South America, the West Indies, and Africa. The herb has been around for at least 4,000 years. Turmeric is thought to be a symbol of prosperity, and it is looked at as a prized charm in India, where small pieces are frequently put around the necks of newborn babies for protection. Turmeric continues to be used in India to treat anorexia, liver disorders, cough, diabetic wounds, rheumatism, and sinus problems. Aside from its important service to herbal health and cuisine, turmeric also contains a rich yellow and orange dye that can be used as a natural food coloring. The benefits of turmeric. Turmeric promotes healthy liver. Turmeric is a vital therapy for liver. In ancient herbal medicine, the herb was a key therapy for good liver health, and in traditional Chinese medicine, turmeric is still used regularly to treat liver and gallbladder problems. Today's research claims that this warming herb protects the liver cells, and its curcumin content is beneficial for treating liver disease and may reverse liver damage caused by excessive iron consumption and alcohol. Turmeric is known to increase bile production and boost the production of enzymes that digest sugar and fat. Thereby, it may inhibit cholesterol from crystallizing into gallstones. Turmeric also promotes weight loss. Turmeric boosts the production of enzymes that digest sugar and fat. It is said to cut fat from the blood, and it may be even helpful in weight loss regimens. Indian healers have used turmeric for thousands of years in herbal medicine to control weight problems. Turmeric also promotes healthy digestion. Turmeric has a long history as being a warming herb that helps to stimulate digestive tract and improve digestion. Its mild aromatic properties has been used for thousands of years to stop stomach irritation when not overused. This warming herb is also thought to stimulate the appetite and is sometimes used to treat anorexia. Turmeric is beneficial for people suffering from rheumatism and arthritis. Turmeric is a potent non-steroidal anti-inflammatory that has been very beneficial in the treatment of rheumatism and arthritis. Turmeric also helps to improve inflammation and pain. The curcumin content in the turmeric apparently deactivates immune cells that cause inflammation without harming other parts of the immune system that are essential in fighting infection. It is said to curtail inflammation of both osteo and rheumatoid arthritis and reduces swelling in recent bruises, wounds, and insect bites. It is considered to help relieve pain, and it is helpful for easing muscle pains and sports injuries, fibromyalgia, tendinitis, carpal tunnel syndrome, and bruises. Turmeric also supports healthy heart function and better circulation. Turmeric is said to improve blood vessel health and stimulate the entire circulatory system. The curcumin content is considered a vasculator that helps to relax blood vessels, which helps to regulate blood pressure, thereby possibly lessening a risk of heart attack. It can reduce tissue damage during an attack. Additionally, turmeric appears to lower the serum cholesterol in the blood and diminish blood clotting, which also helps to combat arteriosclerosis. Turmeric also helps with colds, coughs, and congestion. As a warming stimulant, turmeric enhances the respiratory system and is often used to relieve head colds, sinuses, and coughs, and to ease chest congestion. Turmeric also helps with menstrual problems. Turmeric has helped ease the discomforts of women monthly menstruation and regulate its flow. Turmeric also helps with urine problems. It has also been called a urine stimulant and has been thought to be helpful in managing urine problems. Turmeric can also help with the immune system. Turmeric is said to stimulate the immune system, and in research claims that it helps to fight free radicals also. Turmeric can also help with cancer patients and cancer prevention. Turmeric is said to work well in conjunction with the aid recovery after chemotherapy drugs and radiation treatments. Recent studies completed at Johns Hopkins had indicated that the compounds in turmeric may in fact help prevent colon cancer. Turmeric also helps prevent and treat Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric is the major ingredient in curry, and it has been used quite liberally in Indian diet. And research studies have suggested that the herb may have the ability to reduce the effects of Alzheimer's disease. India has the lowest Alzheimer's disease rates in the world, estimated at 1% of the individuals over 65, whereas 10% of Americans over 65 develop Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric also detoxifies the body. As an overall cleaning and cleansing herb, turmeric is thought to accelerate the detoxification process in the whole body. Turmeric also helps to fight off viral infections. It is an antiviral, and it also fights viral infection. There is some indication that turmeric may also help to inhibit HIV infection from progressing to full-blown AIDS by acting as a protease inhibitor. Turmeric also helps to improve skin conditions. It is considered an antibacterial and has known to kill parasites, fight skin infection, such as acne, and improve the texture and smoothness of the skin. Turmeric also helps to fight yeast infection. The herb is also said to possess antifungal properties, inhibiting yeast overgrowth. Turmeric also promotes energy. Finally, the herb appears to be effective in tonic that normalizes energy flow, that enhances the immune system, and improves overall good health. Turmeric also helps to fight MRSA. Turmeric's actions as an antibacterial. Recent information has emerged that turmeric's potent antibiotic qualities may be helpful in combating MRSA as a particularly dangerous bacterium that may not respond to conventional pharmaceutical treatments. Turmeric is also said to work best when taken on an empty stomach. Also, we have to remember the precautions. Individuals using blood thinners should avoid turmeric herbal supplement, as it may add to their anti-clotting effects. Overuse more than the recommended dose is not recommended, as it may result in stomach distress. Normal therapeutic dosages of turmeric protect from ulcers, but at a high dose, it may induce ulcers. Turmeric is not recommended for persons with biliary tract obstruction, as the curcumin stimulates the bile secretion. People with congestive heart failure who causes remains unidentified should always avoid this herb. Turmeric is not recommended for people with painful gallstones, obstructive jaundice, acute bilious colic, or extremely toxic liver disorder. This is why it's very important to take the only recommended dose of the herbal remedy. Since turmeric is considered a urine stimulant, pregnant women should not use it. Turmeric is said to work best when taken on an empty stomach. Also, one important tip to remember: if you're taking other medications, refrain from taking herbal supplements without first checking with your doctor. Herbal supplements and over-the-counter medications or prescription drugs can combine to cause adverse side effects. Just because it's an herbal supplement, the herbal supplement is and it's extracted from a natural source, does not render it as any less potent than any other chemicals you may ingest.